Check time. I'm supposed to be getting a package today. So, here we go. But, roll. There's no package on the counter. I checked online today and it said out for delivery. What is it? Charterville. It's outside my apartment. Oh, here's one on the floor. Is that it? Let's see. Yep. It is. Hey, this time it works. Last time I couldn't get the button to respond. Or I meant, I pushed on the record icon and the iPod didn't obey. And once it finally did, the whole thing reset itself. But anyways, here's the box. Of course, I crossed out the sender. So, let's see if I can do this with the hand. While holding the iPod. Got unstring. Try that again. Come on, cut away. Unstring again. Whoa, I was way off there. Jeez. Here, I'll just put this down then. Nope, I have a light. No surprises for guessing what this is going to be in here. Or did I say no surprises? I meant no prizes. Okay. Yep, it's packing foam. Again, just what I needed. My supply of packing foams here. There's one of them. Pyro Guardian fire detector. Not sure if you can hear that kind of high-pitched whining noise. My computer's rendering those fire drill videos. So let's look at this first. There's two more right down in there. This was made by Pyrotronics. So you open up this part. Hard to do with one hand. Oh, wait, it comes apart like that, and it comes out. That's cool. It's FRU-1L or IL maybe. And it's basically that's basically their one detector. I can't remember the model number off bat, but that's how you mount it. You can see the screw down there. And over there is your indicator light. Well, iPod battery decided to die on me, so there's your LED. And there's the holes on the side. So how do you test the thing? Because that is not the button. And there is the vents for the horn. So let's see. Manual tying down in here. There's some documents. The testing. Visual check of the power indicator lamp to see if it's lighted. This means the power is being supplied to the unit and the unit should be operational. The remaining test would be by blowing cigarette smoke directly into the detector or holding a burning rope or string below the detector to receive the audible alarm, which should continue to sound until the detector is cleared. If two or more units are interconnected, FRU-1L only, the smoke test should be administered to each of the units separately. checking to assure that all units enunciate each time the unit is tested. So, doesn't surprise me because, like I said, that's kind of just basically one of those detectors. Here's on the back, Bob Pyrotronics. It says Chase Manhattan Bank, the Pentagon, Mayo Clinic, NASA, Library of Congress. And the Pyrotronic system was also used in the Twin Towers. But sadly, it was sacrificed. It died along with those people in the building. Now, don't get me wrong, I have my priorities here. That alarm system can be replaced. Those people cannot. But I didn't realize Mayo Clinic had a Pyrotronic system at the time. Maybe they did, maybe they didn't. But now they have a notifier system. Alright. What's next? None of these I have anyway. Ademco or Honeywell 5808W3. This is basically the wireless version of the system sensor i3. Matter of fact, they actually have it as just the W3, but I don't think you're going to find it anywhere on their site. So, let's get this bad boy opened up, which it already was, or which it did quite quickly. Pull to connect batteries. There's your bracket. And then that must be something to activate the alarm. So let's find out. All right. Let's remove the thing. And first we got to remove the cover, the dust cover. Pop! Oh! Looks like it's already making contact. And now it looks like the green LED is on. So it looks like it passed its power up. Let's look at the back here. Come on, focus. Come on, focus, iPad. This one doesn't say also suitable as a single station smoke alarm. But, again, I'm not sure what that little metal thing is there. Let's see. Probably a line somewhere on here. There we go. You stupid things. Test time. And if I can find something to do it with, just a sec. Also put my hearing protection on. Okay. Here we go. Here it is. On a lower pitched one. So, there's the 5808 W3. Running out of room on my table here. Boxes down there. And the W3 can go next to the FRU-1L. Oops. Because there's one more in here. But first, I gotta get an alarm out of here. Here it is. Anyways, you know, this sunbeam detector, Game Alarm has a video on it, but this is one that you use smoke to test. But we've got one in here that's very rare. It's actually a rare version. There's the Sunbeam Centurion ionization smoke detector. But look, test button for testing or checking circuitry and battery strength. So, let's open it up. And sure enough, there's your test button. Make sure the battery's not connected. I don't think there's a battery in it anyways. Nope, because that's the mounting hardware. And this is just the thing that says stop. Replace battery now. It says place reminder strip over case side when battery is removed. So nope, there's no battery in here. Might still be in the box. Oops. But anyways, yep, there's the test button. So, in a bit I'll get this powered up too. Well, here's the battery. It's actually in pretty good shape for being as old as it is. It hasn't broke or anything. Or I meant corroded. You can see it's kind of bulged, but it hasn't corroded yet, so. The old Mallory Duracell ones. And forgot to look at the model number of it. Full Kiss iPad. 45-31. And what's this one? Uh-oh. 45 something. So this would have been 45-3D. And I'm not sure what the actual numbers is. This one is. So, I'll get a battery here sometime. And we can power this bad boy up. Like the circuit board is also a little different. There's my old one. It's kind of larger. And there's the newer one. It's like a little smaller. Yeah, it is. So, we'll be back. Okay. Now, one thing I noticed when I was reading the manual, it said that when you test the detector, it will pulse on, off. So, this might be an alarm that pulsates. And if that's the case, it'd be one of my first, not the first alarm I have with a mechanical pulsating horn. So let's put the battery in. It might chirp at us, so be aware. Okay, what's going on? There. Okay, the battery is in place. All right, here we go. Well, it didn't pulse, so. Oh well, it's still a cool one. Let's test it again. All right, that's my 3 detectors and the other sunbeam. So there we go. The Pyrotronics FRU-1L, the Ademco 5808W3, aka System Sensor W3, and the sunbeam. There we go.